If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update. Now from here guys, let me warn you, be so careful. Be very careful for Solana. Solana just met the resistance that I was looking forward to, and it's time for us to now get prepared for the 5 or $4 department. This to me is the end. Personally, the end of the pump for Solana right there, and I did expect it. I told you, I made you aware that first we're gonna go to $12, maybe $13 and whatnot. Yesterday I made a brief talk about the bearish three line strike, and I didn't show you, but it's important to show you as well. So three, right, it's called a bearish three line strike. Here we go. All right, so let me show you how that image is going to look like, and it looks like this. Okay, this is a bearish pattern, and if you look at Solana right now, that's what you have on the weekly time frame. That's a bearish pattern that you have. It's not a bullish pattern. Yes, the green candle in the smaller time frame was bullish, but for day trade and intraday trade or scalping opportunity, that's all. That's where it was bullish. But on a swing trade and an intraday trade, you are bearish as heck. And that's 3 black rows, 1 big red candle like this, and combine these 4 candles again. What do you get? Bearish 3 line strike. Okay, and the future of this is that this is how it looks like. When you make that thing like boom, then you can see what happens next. You go even lower. So for me personally, it's a perfect recipe to continue to move to the downside for me, for my side, honestly. Like, all you did is you just came down, made the bear flag, dropped down, you went for the back test here, and this bear flag has a technical target to go from there to there, and you bring in this thing right here, and yes, this is the technical target, 4.7. That's pretty much it for this update on Solana. Gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.